Hey my lovelies, hi Poulami here, welcome back to my channel. So today is the day 3 of the festive series that I am doing. Today is the day 3, that is what? Today is the Ashtami and today I am going to do like this look over here which I have designed for the Ashtami, Maha Ashtami. Oh my god, I'm always so excited for that particular day all throughout the year. So yeah, we are going to achieve this particular look over here. So now without any more further wasting of your valuable time, let's dive into the video. So now as you can see that I'm totally done with my base makeup, so I'll quickly go ahead and start on with my eye makeup. And to start on with my eye makeup, yes, today I'm going to use my Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette, and from this beautiful palette over here I'm going to use this beautiful pink shade, like dark pink shade over here, which is known as Rishk. So I'm just going to use this shade over here and I'm just going to start putting it onto my crease. I'm not going to put it exactly on my crease, but yeah, I'm just going to take the shade and I'm just going to put it a little above my crease. So yeah, that is what I'm going to do right now. At this point I'm not blending the shades, I'm just taking it onto my brush and I'm just patting it on my eyes and I'm just creating a shape. So I will be blending it later on, but not now. So now at this point, when you can see that I'm done putting on that pink shade onto my crease area, like a little above my crease area. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and I'm just going to start blending it out. And for that, today I'm going to use the same palette, and from this particular palette over here I'm using this shade called Doll Face, which is basically this one. This is like a light pink shade. It is such a beautiful shade over here that I've already hit the pan on this one. So yeah, I'm just going to take a fluffy blending brush and taking that shade and dusting off the excess, I am just going to start blending the shade. I'm just using like tiny circular motions to blend this shade. I'm not doing anything more than that. I'm just using my brush to create tiny circular motions, and gradually my shadow will be blended. So now at this point, when you can see that I'm totally done with that pink shade and blending that dark pink shade with that light pink shade. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to take my concealer and start cutting my crease. Okay, I know if you are not comfortable with a cut crease, I got you. You totally have an option. You can definitely skip this cut crease and you can definitely go on to the next step, which is putting on the shimmer directly onto your lid space, onto like this area. But as you guys know, I'm a little bit obsessed with cut creases, so I'm definitely going to, I thought of not doing the cut crease, but then I was like, let me do a cut crease, So I'm just going to take my concealer and cut my crease. If you are comfortable with cut crease, please go ahead. If you are not comfortable with your cut creases, please skip the cut crease one and directly go on to the next step, which is putting on the shimmer onto your lid space. Both are going to look equally brilliant. And for my concealer, today I'm going to use my PAC Spotlight Ready Concealer, which I always use for my cut crease, and it is in the shade 0.5 Porcelain. So yeah, I'm just going to use this concealer over here to cut my crease. So now at this point, when you can see that I'm totally done with that cut crease, so what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to go towards my Colourpop Cosmetics Just My Luck palette, which is the green palette. And from this particular palette over here, I'm going to take this beautiful shade over here, which is known as Mary Jane, which is basically this one. So yeah, this is a shimmer shade which has a tad bit of gold and green, both the colors, like both the pigments in it. So it gives like a nice greenish goldeny vibe. So yeah, I'm just going to use this particular shade over here and I'm just going to put it onto my cut crease area. So honestly, when I was planning for today's look, I was thinking like, which are the colors that we Indians do commonly get in our attires and saris and salwars and any Indian and traditional wear. So I just ended up with the answer in my mind, which are like pink and green and red. So these are the few colors which we always get in our clothes and attires. So the total look that I'm going to create today is basically based on the colors like pink and green. So yeah, if you are wearing something which has pink and green, you can totally do this look. So So now at this point, when you can see that I'm done with that shimmer shade, so what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to take some liner, and for my liner today I'm using my NYX Epic Ink liner, which is basically this one. So yeah, I'm just going to take this beautiful liner over here, and I am just going to draw a nice winged liner. So now at this point, when you can see that I'm done putting on that liner, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take some kajal, and for my kajal today I'm using my Estee Lauder Stay in Place Double Wear Kajal in the shade 01. So I'm just going to take this beautiful kajal over here and start putting it onto my lower lash line. So now at this point, when you can see that I'm done with that kajal onto my lower lash line, so I'm just going to take this, just my Luck palette all over again, and from this beautiful palette over here, I'm going to take this beautiful shade over here, which is known as No Bamba, which is basically this one over here, and taking this beautiful dark green shade over here. Oh my god, it's stunning. Oh my god, I love it. So yeah, I'm just going to take this beautiful shade, like this dark green shade, and I'm just going to take it onto my brush, and I'm just going to put it onto my lower lash line and smudge it so that I get a smoked out lower lash line. So now at this point, when you can see that I'm done with that green shade onto my lower lash line and smoking it out, so what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to go and put on some mascara, and for my mascara today I'm using my Benefits Roller Lash Mascara, and taking this mascara over here, I'm just going to generously coat my lashes. So yeah, that is like almost the end of this look. I'm just done left with putting on some falsies. So now when I'm done putting on the mascara, so I'm just going to go behind the camera, put on some falsies and complete the other eye, and I will be right back. So stay tuned. So now as you can see that I'm back after putting on my falsies and completing the other eye, and I have put on some lipstick, and on my lips today I'm wearing my MAC Retro Matte Liquid Lip Color, which is in the shade Tailored to Tease, which is basically this one, and I'm wearing it on my lips. And to top it up with some lip gloss, today I'm using my Too Faced Lip Plumper, which is basically this one. So yeah, this is how my look turned out to be. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this entire video, and if you guys have enjoyed watching this video, then do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, because it will mean a lot to me. I'll see you guys next day with yet another more interesting topic. Till then, take care, keep it glam, and love you all as always.